Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. Just drawing this kitty cat glaring back at you, staring, looking for food maybe. I'm going 3 times the speed and voicing over. Just kind of mapping out kitty shapes. Aiming for shapes and angles more than anything here. And unified flow. Making sure all my lines flow together nicely. And get to muzzle there. Just kind of appears. Place for the nose appears too. And then we'll get some eye lines in here to help place the eyes. Easy does it, one step at a time. A little bit easier when the face is level, I think. Just getting some gentle lines in for the eyes, and I'll darken them up when I feel they're what I want. Just kind of want to make sure the lines go around the contour of the head more than anything, so the eyes look comfortable. I love to hear from you, so please do drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world or what you want to learn. I just love to hear from people. Help us build this community of crazy cat artists. Expression is everything for my cat drawings. It's more about the expression than about exactness. And I give the drawing what it needs. Less is more. Too many lines just kind of overwhelm the viewer's eye. You kind of got to think about what your drawing is about and make it about that. And in this case, it's about that stare. There is a tail tucked in behind there. Sort of. It's hard to see in the photo. But that's something that I thickened the tail up a bit because I felt it was better for the drawing, for the composition and everything, to thicken it up a bit. Otherwise, that underneath there kind of looks like there's nothing going on. It's really paying attention to the shape of the face here when I make the lines. You see how the tabby stripes help shape the face? And everybody's style is different, so do what works for you. Take what you learn from me and make it your own. Be yourself. I think it'll really look kind of cool for a kitty to be kind of sitting on the tail there. So we'll just finish Kitty up here. Thank you so much for watching today. There's lots more videos to come, so we'll see you next time.